What's up, you lovely, beautiful people? So guys, randomly मैंने सोचा कि let's shoot this video because I just received something and for this channel basically मुझे लगा कि शायद इसकी ज़रूरत है because मेरा जो दूसरा channel है that is Toast and Roast वो basically एक entertainment purpose के लिए है and for this which this channel I started for motovlogging, travel and everything. So मैंने एक product मंगाया है and let's do the unboxing and आप लोगों को भी दिखाते हैं कि ये product कैसा है guys. So I'm too excited to open this product and मिलते हैं अब unboxing पे. तो guys अब इसकी unboxing करते हैं चीर फाड़. So guys ये है हमारा Pro Hero 8.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
And one GoPro bag. So guys, this is all the stuff that you get with the box. So guys, प्रोडक्ट तो आप लोगों ने देख लिया. अब ये सोचो कि इसको यूज़ करने में कितना मज़ा आने वाला है. बिकॉज मेरे पास एक ऑलरेडी एक एक्शन कैमरा है. सो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इन दोनों का कंपैरिजन करके मैं दिखाऊं कि दोनों में क्या क्या फीचर है. बट ऑब्वियस GoPro तो बाप है सबका. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस मैं ये दिखाऊं कि इसके अंदर क्या और फीचर है एंड व्हाई दिस GoPro 8 Hero 8 Black is one of the most popular camera for the bloggers. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep loving, keep supporting. This is Raj. See you next time.